Hey everybody, it's your girl Winter Slates here, and today I'm back with another video. So first I want to show you guys my hair. It looked a little frizzy because I had it for so long, but I got the Fulani braids and these are my beads. Ignore my eyeshadow because this eye has just been tripping and it's still watering, so that's why my makeup look crusty, you know what I'm saying? But I just want to say sorry for being away for so long. I got some news to tell y'all. I started my, well, not my first, but I started a new job and I like it. You know, can't turn on that money, can't turn on that money. The second update is my trip to New York is happening. It's sometime in June. We're still trying to get the date settled, so you will see a vlog for that. What else? Well, that's pretty much the new update. And okay, so this video is going to be about a couple of things, but I want to keep it short. I want to keep the video under 15 minutes. So today's video is just about some things that I've been doing since I've been gone, also a little bit since the beginning of the year, and some things a little bit of last year. So first thing is I've been celibate for 7 months. Well, going on 7 months, and a lot of people, you know, don't know why I chose this, but I do plan on getting married. But also now I want to wait to have sex until I get married, and it's just because like I've dealt with so many like false start relationships because they just wanted sex, and I know that I'm still young, so you know, stuff could change, stuff could happen, but as of right now I'm planning on staying celibate until I get married. Ooh. So that was really quick. Okay, now the second part is I am now a pescatarian or pescopalo vegetarian or vegan. I no longer eat red meat. I'm trying to reduce on dairy products, and I really want to cut down on like meats because my family, we have a like high risk of different diseases like high blood pressure, cancer, diabetes. My grandfather actually died from cancer, and my grandmother's brother, he died from cancer as well. Both of her brothers died from a type of cancer, so that's why I want to make a lifestyle change while I'm still able to, you know, to try to prevent some things from happening to me. Not saying like I'm not gonna get it, but just to try to prevent it, you know, because I don't know, since I've decided this, it's been really hard, but I gotta do it, you know, because I want to just cut down on all of the, you know, bad processed products that I eat, you know what I'm saying? And the last part is my spiritual journey. I want to start going to church more. It's just I don't belong to a church because growing up I never went to church, and when I was like 13, I went to church like twice with my dad because his uncle did something in the church. I didn't like that church. I'm not gonna go into why I didn't like that church. I just didn't like that church, okay? It's nothing against the people, I just didn't like that church. I also went to the Word Church a couple of times, which I really don't have a problem with the Word Church. It's just I have to find one that's like, you know, closer to my area and not such a long distance for me to travel because, you know, I don't have a car yet, and my mother always working on Sundays, so I'm trying to find a way to get to church because I really want to go to church. I've been like trying to read the Bible, like trying to understand certain things that happened and all that good stuff. And I also want to, like I said in the beginning of the year, I wanted to do quotes in my videos. So today I actually have a quote for you guys. Well, today's quote is a quote that I think I'm learning to understand, but I don't fully understand it yet. But this quote relates to me in some way. And it says, "The past only makes a battlefield of you when you don't survive to tell the story." And it's by C.C. Felton. So what that quote means to me is that it's like when you give up after tragedies happen to you, because many tragedies have happened to me throughout my life, and I feel like it's made me kind of like the person that I am, but it's also really destroyed me as a person, because I've been through so many things, and it's really hard for me to express my feelings. But so many things have happened to me throughout my past, and I don't want that to hold me back from being the person that I'm meant to be. So I really can relate to that quote. Oh, sorry, I'm crying. And I will also make a video about the things that I've experienced, because just a simple video could help somebody, and that's my ultimate goal, is to help people. Because I wish growing up it would have been somebody like me to help me through the problems that I went through. I didn't know this video was gonna be emotional. Well, that was pretty much the end of those updates that I had to tell you guys. Oh, and I'm also still doing the giveaway, so don't think I forgot about that. But I'm still trying to think of what I want the giveaway to be, so it might take some time, but whew. But I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social medias, which will be linked, well, not linked, well, it will be down below in the description box. Also give this video a like and a comment, and comment some things that you would like to see on my channel. So I'll see you guys in the next one.